What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to attach a PVC fitting with glue. Okay, so basically what happened, if y'all watched my video the other day on how to trim this fucking tree behind me, I knocked this bitch right here off this fucking thing so I can put the camera on it, and it broke this damn pipe off. So basically, here's our pipe. Y'all can see where it snapped off. See how that shit works? That's our drain line. Went on like that. Okay, so basically what y'all are going to need for this here project, you're going to need a 45 or a 90 degree 90 degree 3/4 is what I meant to say. You see that cost me 45 cents. You guys are going to need some glue and some primer. Now this shit you should have in your house anyway, so it shouldn't cost you nothing to get, because basically you all call somebody to do this shit, it's going to cost you 50 bucks plus. Okay, now if you have your glue and shit in the house, you guys are going to need these here to get the damn caps off. Okay, big pair of channel locks, that'll help you out. And then we're going to be using this saw today because I got to cut this back right as close to this line as I can. If I use PVC cutters, it'd be a little bit lower, and then we'd be a little bit, too close on the height of these two. So we're going to be using the saw to cut as close to this here line as we can. Okay, so let's get her started. I'm going to set you guys down here on this little trap. We're going to flip this here bucket over. You guys don't want to put your fitting on it. And you just start cutting her away. Alright. Now we got that here cut. Alright. Now comes the easy part. Put you guys over here so y'all can see it. Actually, I'm gonna get you all even closer. Hang on. You know what? I got a better idea. You guys are gonna sit down here just like that so y'all can watch it. Okay, so now you got your primer and you got your glue, right? Primer and glue. Then we got our fitting right here. Okay, so our goal is to attach this back on with a 90. Now this thing ain't too far off, but what you want to make sure is that this pipe here is cleaned. Okay, I picked all the hard shit off, the heavy stuff that was picking off, it was up and sticking up and raised. That's what you guys need to get off. Okay, now what we're going to do is just a little test run with our fitting. Works great, right? So now we didn't even need our channel locks because the primer was loose enough. Let's check the glue. If you guys are doing this shit inside, make sure you put something down so you don't get shit on stuff. All right, so now for the primer, take this little, sorry you guys fell over there. Take this primer bulb here, and you get purple shit in there. Okay, and then we're going to be taking the end of our pipe here, same thing, purple shit all over it. That's all you guys got to think about, getting that shit all over it. The primer's good. The primer's going to help us. And then we're going to take our here glue. You're going to glue this. Oh shit, I forgot to prime that. Sorry guys. I'll wipe that shit off here. Alright. Do it the right way. Prime that first. And then you put your glue on. A little glue on everything. Okay. A little extra ain't going to hurt nothing. A little glue in here, dip her back, a little more glue over here. Okay, now what we're going to do, shove this on. Okay, shove this on. Now y'all see that right there? That's called a 45-cent fix, because we had the glue, we had the saw, we had a bucket, and a fucking camera to film this. So that's 45 cents. This is our AC drain line. Why pay somebody $50 to come do this kind of shit to your house? It's fucking ridiculous, guys. All you got to do is just learn a couple little things around your house, you'll be able to do it. But I'll tell you what, you all like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be putting out videos like this all the time. You guys can see how to do shit. We're going to be fixing shit. We're going to be doing shit. I got Scooter McQueen coming back here in a couple days. He'll be helping me with some stuff in that bathroom I showed you all the other day. But yeah, we're making videos. We're having fun. We're doing it. So if you guys like it, please like and subscribe. You guys like the content, please make sure you yeah, hit the notification bell and shit. All right. And I want to tell you guys, none of these videos are sponsored. I'm just telling you guys what I do. Okay. So I told you in the last video I wear Dickies overalls. Got my Ford hat. I want to show you guys a pair of boots I got. You guys see that? Georgia boots right there. See how that says waterproof? I bought them. I literally tested these things like 2 days after I bought them. I walked right into a lake, a little pond, farm pond out here. They are literally waterproof. So if you guys need a new pair of boots, you guys are looking for something comfortable, nice to wear around, waterproof. They ain't steel toed, but shit, they're nice as hell. So if you guys like them, go ahead and buy some, man. I like them. I've had them for a couple of years. I love them. So anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Please have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Thank you all for watching. Bye.